All right, guys.
Yes, sir.
So hopefully, I believe that you are practicing at home. Okay. So now today we are going to see the third chapter of our prepositions in English. How to use, when to use our prepositions. Okay. So now today we are going to see. Just a minute, please. I'm so sorry. Already seen our two chapters of our prepositions in, on, and at. Now we are going to continue it today with to, in, and at. All right. When to use to, when to use in, when to use at for different usages and for different things. For example, to and in and at. Now we are going to see first the difference between to, in, and at. It is really very easy, very easy difference we are going to see today here of to, in, and at. When to use to, when to use in, when to use at. For example, to go, to come, to walk, to return, to etc. Okay, we are going to here use for go to, come to, return to, walk to, etc. Next one, same case, in. We can use there in, be in, stay in, do something in, etc. Be at, stay at, do something at, etc. We can use there. It is really very easy. You can understand it well. For example, to London matlab in London go. London go to London. As you can see the diagram over here. So to London means what? London go. Someone is going to London. So to London means what? London ko. And in London means what? London ke andar hai wo. In London means he is existing in London. So in London matlab London में, and to London matlab London को. Next one, we are going to London on Sunday. So we are going to London on Sunday. London को हम लोग जा रहे हैं on Sunday. Next, Piccadilly Circus is in London. Piccadilly Circus is in London. It is existing in London already. It is already in London and they are going to London now. Okay. Next one. I want to go to Italy next year. I want to go to Italy next year. I want to go to Italy next year. Now I'm not in Italy. I will go to Italy next year. So I want to go to Italy next year. My brother lives in Italy. Means what? He is already existing in that country. My brother lives in Italy. Next one. We walked from my house to the center of the town. We walked from my house to the center of the town. To the center of the town means what? He is not now in the center of the town, but he is walking from his house to the center of the town. To matlab यानी को वहां जा रहा है वो. The main shops are in the center town. The main shops are in the center of the town. So the main shops are in the center of the town means those are the shops which are already existing in the center of the town. Next, what time do you go to bed? Go to bed means not now you're present in the present, you're not in the bed. So what time do you go to bed? And here I like reading in bed. Bistar mein already hai wo. So I like reading in bed. Bistar mein. Going to bed. Bistar ko jata hu main. Getting it? So can you please give me some sentences like this? To and in. To and in. To plus in. For example, I want to go to Mumbai. My sister lives in Mumbai. Yes. Sometimes I go to camp. My brother lives in camp. I go to camp on Saturday and I have my class in camp. So to plus in for the same things. Can you please use it?
I go to camp for purchasing a book.
Next.
He is going to meet to doctor.
He's going to meet a doctor. मुझे
You
इनके
should
साथ में भी
visit.
चाहिए मैम. Yes, continue.
You should visit to a place once.
You can use it anything. No problem at all. See, as
No,
they're
sir.
using here for go to, run to, walk to, they're using with verb. So for places, you can use it. And generally, we have prepositions for places, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, use it.
I will go to college by walking.
Very good. I go to college by walk. Next. Bashir, Adnan, make sentences. Mr. Abdul Wajid, Amir, make sentences with two. Very easy. If you don't have problem, please make sentences. And if you have problems, you can ask me now. Please ask me.
They are going to make a decision.
They're going to make a decision. Yes,
You should go to her as soon as possible.
correct.
I am going to Pune.
I'm going to Pune. Next,
He's coming to Pune.
he's coming to Pune.
We must
Yes.
go to that webinar.
We must go to that webinar.
You have to come in the party.
You have to come in the party. You have to come to the party. To the
Yeah.
party.
Come to the party.
Next, to within. Ms. Shreya, Mr. Abdul
Yeah.
Wajid.
You have
Next
to come with
sentences.
your friends.
I want to go to Makkah next year, inshallah.
Correct. To Mecca. Next.
He wants to.
Yeah,
He wants to come from the garden.
she wants to come from the garden. Next.
From the garden.
चलो भाई जल्दी जल्दी.
You will have to wait for some time.
You will have to wait for some time.
He will
Yes.
not go to garden.
He will not go to the garden. Next,
They can come into hall.
they can come into the hall.
Into the hall.
Two. Please make sentences Wolfie with two. Very easy. Amir, where are you? Not making sentences. Mubashir,
They are going to call him.
they're going to college. Sania
College.
ma'am. Yes,
We are going to the market.
to the market. Next,
You will have to check it in your bag.
correct. You will have to check it in your bag. In your bag. Yes,
You will have to pull the door.
you have to put the notes in the satchel.
She
You
is
will
going
be-
to shopping mall.
She's going to the shopping mall. To the shopping mall. Good.
You will be
She-
able to go there.
You will be able to go there.
She is going to go bananas.
She is going to go bananas. Yes,
You can walk to school.
you can walk to school. Mr. Amir,
I want to make a tea in the kitchen.
I want to make tea in the kitchen, not a tea.
Come to.
Good.
Okay. Make tea.
Correct. I want to make tea in the kitchen. Yes,
He's going to Crimson.
he's going to be crimson, not to.
He's going.
I want to for locations.
You have to go to your relative's house.
Correct. You have to go to your relatives.
I have to go to my friend yesterday.
I have to go to my friends.
Tomorrow.
I have to go to my friends tomorrow. Yes. Anyone else with two?
No,
Very
sir.
easy. Very easy with two. Wow. No तो बोल रहा है हजरत और बाकी का आपने दे दिए. Okay, let's go for the next one. Now we are going to see here to with at. Okay. Now the
To
bus
with
is going
at.
to the airport. The bus is going to the airport. मतलब एयरपोर्ट को जा रही है बस. एयरपोर्ट को जा रही है बस. So the bus is going to the airport. Next one. The bus is at the airport. एयरपोर्ट के कहाँ है बस भाई?
एयरपोर्ट पर है.
एयरपोर्ट पर है मतलब यानी एयरपोर्ट के
एयरपोर्ट के गेट पर है.
करेक्ट. एग्जैक्ट प्लेस वी आर गोइंग टू यूज देयर इन. करेक्ट.
At.
एट.
अच्छा तो चलो जागे we are going to use the at for exact places, right?
Yes,
so the
sir.
bus is going to the airport. Airport को जा रही है and the bus is at the airport at the
Airport.
exact place. Karen didn't go to work yesterday. Karen didn't go to work yesterday. Karen didn't go to work yesterday. कल वो काम पे नहीं गई. कल वो काम पर नहीं गई. Karen didn't go to work yesterday. Sarah wasn't at work yesterday. और सारा कल काम पर नहीं थी. काम पर नहीं थी and she didn't go to work. वो काम को ही नहीं गई कल. दोनों में फर्क समझिए प्लीज. कंफ्यूज होना नहीं. Karen didn't go to work yesterday. Karen कल काम को नहीं गई थी. यहीं पर थी. और वो क्या बोल रही है? सारा wasn't at work मतलब वहां पर नहीं थी वो. काम पर नहीं थी वो. At that place, exact place पर नहीं थी वो. So Sarah wasn't there at that place. Sarah wasn't at work yesterday. Next, I went to a party last night. I went to a party last night. मैं एक पार्टी में गया था. पार्टी को गया था मैं कल रात. I went to a party last night and I met a lot of people at the party. और मैं कल उस जगह पर उस पार्टी में exact place पर मैं काफी लोगों को मिला. I met a lot of people at the party. मैं कल बहुत सारे लोगों को वहां पर मिला. I met a lot of people at the party. Next one. You must come to our house. आपको हमारे घर आना चाहिए. आना ही पड़ेगा आपको. You must come to our house. You must come to our house. आपको हमारे घर आना ही पड़ेगा. आना ही पड़ेगा. You must come to our house. Next one. And Helen stayed at her brother's house. Helen stayed at her brother's house. वो अपने भाई के घर पर उस exact place पर रही थी. At her brother's place. She stayed at her brother's place. Any doubts to anyone?
No.
Yes. कुछ पूछना है भाई इनके अंदर?
No, sir.
ये जा रहा है को. और ये क्या है? एग्जैक्ट प्लेस है ये इसकी एग्जैक्ट प्लेस है. जगह पर बता रहा है वो.
सर
यस.
ये टू का मतलब होता है के तरफ. ठीक है, उसकी तरफ.
को.
तो फिर आई वांट टू बिकम अ क्रिकेटर. तो टू, ये वाला टू अलग है क्या?
हाँ वो वाला टू अलग है क्योंकि वो वर्ब के लिए लग रहा है. आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम. आई वॉन्ट टू गो. आई वॉन्ट टू डू. आई वॉन्ट टू प्ले. खेलना चाहता हूँ. वो वहाँ पे वर्ब के पहले टू लगता है. वो एक रूल है. Whenever you are writing a infinitive form of verb, just for the support, you are going to put there to before
Sure.
it. Some sentences. I want to go to the market. मैं आपको ये करना, मैं मार्केट जाना चाहता हूँ. I want to go to the market. वो अलग to है. So ये बहुत सी simple सी चीज है. To मतलब यानी को and at we are using for exact places. Do you have any doubts with this?
नो सर.
Anyone would like to ask any questions regarding this? किसी को कुछ पूछना है भाई इसके अंदर?
Sir, can you say like Helen stayed at her brother's?
Helen stayed at her brother's. हाँ. क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
हाउस लगाए तो चलता नहीं चलता वो भी है ना मतलब.
Helen's. ऐसा बोल रहे क्या?
Helen stayed at her brother's. हाउस लगाए नहीं
हाँ.
लगाए तो चलता ना.
हाउस नहीं लगाना चाहिए. वो खाली उसने समझाने के लिए लिखा है उधर हाउस. अदरवाइज वी डोंट नीड टू पुट देयर हाउस एंड ऑल बिकॉज़ इतना तो समझ में आता है ना. Helen stayed at her brother's what? तो ब्रदर से क्लिनिक पे थोड़ी रुकी होगी, घर पर ही ना. वहाँ पे हाउस लगाने की जरूरत नहीं. यस.
एक मैं बोलूंगा अल्फाज इंग्लिश में. सही है या गलत आप बोल सकते हो, उसको एक बार बोल देना मुझे. इफ यू आर नॉट गेट अप अर्ली, you are not eligible for success.
If you don't get up early, you are not eligible for success. ऐसा होना चाहिए वो.
Okay.
बिल्कुल सही लिखा है जिसने भी लिखा है, जिसने भी बोला है.
मैंने लिखा सर.
बहुत जबरदस्त चीज. If you are unable to get up early, you are not eligible to.
अनेबल टू आएगा या डोंट आएगा? अनेबल टू भी चलेगा.
चलेगा. ये सबसे मतलब एकदम फॉर्मल दिखता है, अच्छा दिखता है. You are if you are unable to wake up early, then you are
unable to wake up early, you
in
are not
success.
eligible for success.
Correct. आप सक्सेस के लायक के नहीं है, बिकॉज सक्सेस इज नॉट फॉर एवरीवन, रिमेंबर दिस.
Yes, sir.
सक्सेस के लिए नहीं है. जो उसके पीछे भागेगा वो जीतेगा, और जो अगर पड़े रहेगा बोले किस्मत में रहेगा तो रहेगा, तो किस्मत तेरे कुछ बने रहेगा, खाली गाय चाप रहेंगी 5 रुपए वाली एंड विमल की पूड़ी रहेंगी एंड जाओ. तो
आज
किस्मत
लेट
में
उठा ना, तो इसीलिए दिमाग में आया था. वैसे
क्या बोले सर?
मैं लेट उठा आज, तो मेरे दिमाग में आया. वैसे तो मैं बोला सर से क्लियर करवा लेंगे, सही है या गलत है.
No, remember my dear, if you are waking up late, success will not wait for you.
Yes, sir.
शाहरुख खान खुद बोलता है सक्सेस किसी के लिए रुकता नहीं है, रिमेंबर दिस. चलो भाई, make sentences now. To and at, to and at. Can you please give me some sentences like this, to and at? First of all, do you have any questions regarding this to and at with? Yes?
No, sir.
आपको कुछ questions है इसके बारे में? To and at के बारे में? Yes, anyone would like to ask any questions? आज आप लोग बहुत खामोश है, एकदम चुप है.
No, sir.
No,
किसी ने
sir,
मारा,
no.
कोई छोड़ बीड़
कोई
कर गई
question
ऐसा?
No, sir.
नहीं, sir.
चलो, दीदी लोग के चक्कर में अभी मत पड़ो, पढ़ाई कर लो, एक बार सक्सेसफुल हो जाओ, बाद में दीदी भी मिल जाती खुद ही. चलो कंटिन्यू.
He's
खास
going to.
सजेशन दे रहा हूँ आप लोगों को बॉयज.
Yes, sir.
मैं तो एड़े चाले करेंगे, बोले नहीं मैं तो उसके बिना जीच नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मैं मेरी सांसें नहीं चल रही, मेरे वो सांस लेने के लिए लगता वो नहीं लगता.
ऑक्सीजन थोड़ी है.
हाँ. तो ये ऐसे ये दीवाने चाले जो रहते हैं ना, कॉलेज में जाने के बाद में बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं. अरे यार मेरे को कैसे तो हो रहा है, मेरे को रातों को नींद नहीं आ रही, इनसोमना हो गया आपको. आपको हो गया इन. वो वहां पे फिर बॉलीवुड के गाने गाता हो, क्या मुझे प्यार हुआ, तो प्यार व्यार कुछ नहीं हुआ, वो हो गया इंसोम्निया. और फिर उसके बाद में माँ की चप्पल और अब्बा का बेल्ट, दे दूध दे दूध. चलो कंटिन्यू प्लीज.
He's going to go to the park.
वेरी गुड. ही इज गोइंग टू गो टू द पार्क.
The book belongs to Anthony.
द बुक बिलोंग्स टू एंथनी. मिस श्रेया, मिस सानिया, मेक सेंटेंसेस
I
प्लीज.
will visit to Mumbai next year.
वेरी गुड.
I'm going to be late tonight.
आई एम गोइंग टू बी लेट टुनाइट. अगर मैत्रीन टू का है वहां पर.
I'm going to be late tonight.
अगर मैत्रीन too late. I want sentences with position. I'm going to be late tonight to come home. No, but वहां पर भी to नहीं आ रहा है. To be at home ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. I want sentences with to for position, for location. At for position, for location, like this.
Okay, so
Yeah, exactly. Sentence
I'm
is
going
correct,
to go on.
but you're not putting there a position. Yes,
I'm going to go on that.
I'm going to go on bus. On
He
किधर है भाई
needs
अपना? नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, मुझे चाहिए अपना to and at.
I'm
Continue.
going to Lonavala tomorrow.
Correct. I'm going to Lonavala tomorrow.
he needs to wake up early in the morning.
Correct. He needs to wake up early in the morning. He needs to wake up early in the morning. In the morning. मुझे at और to चाहिए मैम.
You must,
I'm going to visit.
you must come to
my
my
uncle.
farm house.
One by one, please. Yes, farm
I'm
house.
going. Farm house.
You must come to my farm house.
Sure, we'll be coming. You must come to my farmhouse. Nice.
She
Next.
lost her ring at the beach.
She lost her ring at the beach. Very good.
He is going to visit her school tomorrow. At her school tomorrow.
He is going to visit her school.
She is going to visit at her school tomorrow.
He is going to visit at her school tomorrow. How can we say like this? Please visit at my school. No. She is
So we
going to
can
visit.
use at for pronouns.
No, but we cannot put there too. At. She is going to visit my school. We can say directly. She is going to visit my school. We can't say at my school.
So,
We
but
can say
school is also location, right? Exact place, exact time, and we use at for exact position and time only, right?
right, but how can we visit exact position for like this for school? Can we
So
say like,
maybe main gate.
oh really?
She is
Yeah.
going.
I don't believe so. This sentence is going to be correct. She's going to visit my. अगं मैत्रीण काय पण. We can say
So
directly.
I
She is going
will.
to visit my school. See, I'll tell you one more thing. See, my is also coming there. At is also coming there, right?
Yes, sir.
We don't need to put there here. This at preposition. My school means what? My school. Finish. She's going to visit my school.
Sir,
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
can
I
we
think,
use to there?
please. Yeah.
Can we use to before my?
No. Visit to my school. Visit my school आगे बहुत हो गया उधर. To वगैरह भी नहीं लगेगा. नहीं लगेगा. नहीं लगेगा. Can you please give a visit at my school? Can you please give a visit at my school? To my school. Can you please give a visit to my school? मेरे स्कूल को विजिट दीजिए. At my school भी नहीं बोलेंगे. Because see, how can we give a visit to school? Means like at school. Generally, it is not suiting over there. So we can't say that at school. Yeah, for example, you can say that Julie
Julie.
works at St. Helena's school. So Julie works at St. Helena's school. वो स्कूल पे काम करती है. वो स्कूल
Sir.
में काम करती है. She works at that school and
At
works at St. Helena's school and okay, Julie works at St. Helena's school or Julie works और क्या आएगा इधर? Yes. हाँ.
In.
Julie works in, correct. Julie works in St. Helena's school. Both are correct. समझा? As I've told you yesterday, we can use two prepositions in a simple sentence. Means not together, but in different actions. Yes, continue please.
Sir, in which condition we have to use to before the subjects?
To before the
Subjects.
subject. For example, we
Like
can have, yeah, I'll show you. We can have like this.
I'm going to visit to doctor. So doctor is a subject.
Correct. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. So, to the doctor. He complained. कुछ ऐसा आएगा इसके अंदर. तो टू सब्जेक्ट के पहले अगर ऐसा लगा सकते तो हम लोग ऐसा लगाएंगे. Can you repeat your sentence, madam? Repeat your sentence, the sentence which you have given just now.
He has to visit to doctor.
He has to the doctor. तू नहीं दिखा रहा नाम वो उसमें देखो. He has to visit the doctor. क्योंकि देखो
But
अपने
sometimes we use to before doctor, like we want to go to doctor, like this.
see. I want to go to a doctor. Correct. You can say I want to go to the doctor also, we can say. Getting it? But in this scenario, I don't know why it is giving a wrong. Maybe it is in the object form. I think there he has to visit the doctor. So he is the subject. Has to visit verb. And the doctor is what? Object. And you said that you want to put there to before subject. Here it is. To the doctor. Okay. Madam. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Continue, please, guys.
I
Make
want to go to
sentences.
my uncle.
I want to go to my uncle. Good. चलो भाई जल्दी जल्दी कीजिए please. 2 plus at. 2 plus at. Make sentences
He
with 2
will
and at.
come home at dinner.
Correct. You will come home at dinner. And what else can you use for this? और क्या use कर सकते हैं मैम आप यहाँ पर? He will come home at dinner and he will come home.
To dinner.
No.
Yes.
आमिर भाई क्या use करेंगे?
For dinner.
Correct. For dinner. Correct. चलो continue. गौसमिया sentence बनाइए. मुबारक. चलो continue.
She plays the piano at the bar.
Correct. He plays the piano at the bar.
At the bar.
और क्या बोल सकते हैं? What else can you say, Shreya? He plays the
Yes.
piano. He
In the
plays the
bar.
piano. Correct.
In
In the bar. Very good. Very good. Very good. In the bar. चलो continue. Can you please give a sentence, Miss Shreya?
We
सर
are
फोर
going to
और
see
टू
tomorrow.
आगे आएगा. अभी आगे बताऊंगा मैं. For मतलब है नहीं के लिए. के लिए.
और टू मतलब के
को.
लिए
क्यों को. आप कहाँ थे इतनी देर से?
सर नमाज पढ़ने गए थे
कहाँ पर गए थे?
काशीवाड़ी
पूना कॉलेज में भी तो नमाज होती है ना 1:10 की.
सर बंद है ना आज सर छुट्टी दिए
अच्छा तो कैंपस में तो हो रही है ना?
नहीं
क्यों वहाँ पे भी बंद है?
हाँ
सच्ची में?
यस सर
चलो कंटिन्यू कीजिए प्लीज. कंटिन्यू कीजिए. चलो. यस
You have
कंटिन्यू
to
प्लीज.
you have to visit her house. Visit her house.
You have to visit her house. To her house. Okay, you have to visit her. तू नहीं
have
आएगा
to-
वहाँ पर.
You must go to at his birthday party.
You must go to.
At his birthday party.
नहीं. आप two. You are using two prepositions together. You must go to at his birthday party. ऐसा नहीं होता है. We can't
So
use
can
two
we say
prepositions like
she's at her place?
wait a minute. Huh? You must go to a birthday party. This is correct. Okay. मैं space मार रहा हूँ. No underline. You must go to her birthday party. You must go to
Yes, sir.
her at birthday party नहीं आएगा.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, Miss Priya, can you repeat yours?
So can we say she is at her place?
Yeah, absolutely. She is at hers. So she is at hers means what? She is at her. She
Place.
is at hers place. Simple.
But sir, we can't say she is going to visit at her school tomorrow, right?
No, we can't say like this.
Who is going to visit?
Or she is going to visit at her place tomorrow.
She is going to visit at her place. No, we can't say like this. Get it?
Okay, so basically we can't use to and at together in
No,
one
no.
sentence.
Same,
That's
same
why
that
it's becoming wrong.
exactly
The
same I told
previous sentence.
Sanya ma'am as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, yeah.
Exactly.
Here
We
we
can't
are just using one preposition, like she is at her place.
correct. Now if you
Okay,
see, we can't use two prepositions together.
yes, sir.
Certain times you can use it. For example, for time, I'll meet you at about 11. Can we say like this?
I'll meet you at about.
बोल सकते हैं. कोई आपको रोकने वाले नहीं. रोका तो फिर मेरा नाम बोलना उधर. मजाक कर रहा हूँ उधर. I'll meet you at 11
Or
or about 11. Means what? Not confirmed. समझ के लो जरा. Getting it? I'll meet you at about 11 o'clock. Chalo. In this scenario, we can use it. Confirm
You
nahi hai
have
time. Yeah, ma'am.
you have to be at home lest dad should scold you.
Correct. You have to be at home. Amir bhai, where are you?
Meet me at the top.
Meet me at the park. Oh. Next.
We'll meet you at tonight.
He'll meet you tonight, not at tonight.
We'll meet
we
you
will
tonight.
directly meet at farewell.
Correct. We'll directly meet at farewell. Okay, what else can we use here in Shreya's sentence? We'll meet you at farewell. What
In
else can you
farewell.
use?
We'll
Pardon?
meet
In farewell.
In
Very good. Good. What else can we use?
on farewell.
Ah, correct. We can use here all the things, huh?
So how come on? It's not a suffix. Yeah, but we
Yeah.
can use in
Yeah.
different things also. It's an activity, that's why.
ये देखो ऐसी बच्ची होना देखो अपने को ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज I'm so sorry. We'll meet you. What was that? We'll meet you on the
We'll meet
farewell.
directly at farewell.
We'll meet you on the farewell.
We'll meet you at the farewell.
We'll meet you at the farewell. We'll meet you in the farewell. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
आपको कोई रोकने वाला है?
No.
या पूना कॉलेज गाइस चलो कंटिन्यू.
She is getting afraid to sit at the computer.
Correct. Anyone else?
She met me at party.
Correct. Mr. Amir, Mr. Goss.
I will meet you at his bungalow.
Okay.
She has to go to dentist tomorrow.
Correct. She has to go to a dentist or the dentist tomorrow.
So we can't say like two times, right? She has to go to dentist tomorrow. Here
She
also.
has to go to the dentist tomorrow. You can say, see, I already have written here. See,
Yes, sir.
the doctors to go to the dentist. See, this two is for the verb. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this
And
is for the
that's
pre.
her place.
Correct. Correct.
Okay.
This is not for preposition. This is for the verb.
Yes, sir.
You know. Yeah, continue.
He's going to her. He's going to his brother's
He's going to his brother's.
11 o'clock.
It is holiday tomorrow. It is
Yes.
holiday tomorrow due to festival.
Due to festival. Correct. अभी ideological meaning के लिए use कर रही हैं madam. Yes, continue. Continue, please.
Tomorrow is
Why is it giving underline before hers birthday? Hers place.
She is at her place. She is at her place. First place बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है.
okay. Yes.
पर मतलब already उसका मतलब क्या होता है? उसकी place ना. तो उसकी थोड़ी हो जाएगा. Her place or she is at her
Her.
place. वो भी नहीं दे रहा है वो.
She's at her.
It is her purse. Hers purse नहीं बोलेंगे हम लोग. It is her purse. Continue.
I always meet you at lecture.
I'll always meet you at a lecture. Not exactly. Continue.
I'm at the exit.
I'm at the exit.
She
All
come
right.
to the canteen at dinner.
You can canteen at dinner. Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
waiting for you at the mall.
I'm waiting for you at the mall. Yeah. Right. See, guys, you are going to get me the address.
Sir,
Yeah.
वेडिंग एंड मैरिज में क्या डिफरेंस है?
What's the difference between wedding and marriage? Who can tell me this? Adnan can tell me better.
Wedding, marriage.
Boss, wedding and marriage.
No, sir.
I told you this in this class as well before. Wedding and marriage. The difference between wedding and marriage. Wedding is just a ceremony. It is just a function. And marriage is what? It is a relation. What kind? It is the kind of activity for longer time. Marriage. Okay.
वेडिंग
शादी.
एनिवर्सरी सही है या मैरिज एनिवर्सरी सही है बोलना?
Wedding anniversary is correct because anniversary अपन 2 दिन के लिए मनाते हैं and marriage is for the whole life until you bear it. So this is what? Marriage. Getting it? Continue. Yeah. Next one. Now we are going to go with home. All right. For example, home. As we have seen yesterday only that we can't use to for home. Correct? For example, home. Go home, come home, walk home without to. Without to. Without to. We can't use that to for home. Remember this always. We can't use to for home. Without to, we are going to use it. Remember this. Don't forget. To home, we can't say like this. Wait a minute. Huh?
सर बोलते बहुत सारी पब्लिक आई एम गोइंग टू होम.
मैं नहीं कुछ कर सकता हूँ भाई उसके अंदर.
मतलब वो गलत है, मतलब गलत बोलते हैं ना वो लोग.
अब लोग तो कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं. उन लोग को अगर समझाने के लिए अगर जाएंगे तो उन लोगों से बात करना इट इज लाइक बैंगिंग आवर हेड अगेंस्ट द वॉल. ये हाई लेवल की इंग्लिश है. इसका नया बैच चालू हो रहा है. सो द स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट टू जॉइन दे कैन कम एंड दे आर ऑलवेज वेलकम फॉर दिस वन. टॉकिंग टू दीस पीपल इज लाइक बैंगिंग आवर हेड अगेंस्ट द वॉल. ऐसे लोगों से बात करना ऐसे जैसे कि अपना सर दीवार पे मारना है.
दीवार पे मारना.
ओके. अभी एक और नया चीज आप लोगों ने मार्केट में देखा रहेगा. जुम्मा मुबारक.
जुम्मा मुबारक. पूरे स्टेटस भरे पड़े हैं.
कहाँ से आता क्या मालूम. आई डोंट नो. मैंने तो आज तक बचपन से अभी तक लेके मैंने सी आई हैव रेड द कुरान, आई हैव रेड द बाइबल, आई हैव रेड द गीता, आई हैव रेड द रामायण, आई रेड द तिपितिका, आई रेड द उपनिषद, आई रेड दैट ऋग्वेद, यजुर्वेद, सामवेद, अथर्ववेद. इंग्लिश के लिए मैंने वर्ड पावर के लिए क्या नहीं किया वहां पर. आई वांटेड टू लर्न वोकैबुलरी. फॉर दैट वोकैबुलरी आई यूज्ड टू रीड दोस बुक्स इन इंग्लिश. अरे बाप रे, बाइबल पढ़े तुमने? धर्म भ्रष्टी. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Nothing. This is called mediocre minds. So I've read each and everything, and only I found there one thing. The thing is what? No religion is chasing the other religion. No religion is pointing the other religion. But what people are saying, they are stupid. I got to know this one. What people are saying, they are absolutely nonsense. What book is saying, book is from the God. Yes or no?
Yes.
And people are just listening each other and spreading the rumors. Listening each other and spreading the rumors. Listening each other and spreading the rumors. इसका किसको कुछ भी चिपका देते थे. Yes or no? So
Yes.
this is what the people's problem. So लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं? We can't believe
हेड
it.
चाल है सब.
वो लोग तो आज भी बोलते हैं. You know, there I have many childrens.
Children's.
Wrong. The child plural is what? Children, not childrens. Getting it? Same as fruits. We don't say fruits. We say fruit only.
बोलते सर.
Yes.
Fruits तो बोलते मैक्सिमम बोलते.
Maximum लोग बोलते हैं. It is their problem. It is not our problem. It is their problem. Just a minute, please. नाटक किसने करने बोला था? लेके जाओ इसको. जल्दी. Next one. So people are using that to for home, but they are wrong. This is what a British book, my dear. And British people themselves, they are saying that we cannot use to for home. Correct? अभी अमेरिकन लोगों को, ब्रिटिश लोगों को अगर अपन बोलेंगे अब हम तुमको इंग्लिश सिखाएंगे, मतलब है हमारे से बड़ा बेवकूफ कौन है फिर? Yes or no? So what people are saying outside, I don't believe it. मैं लोगों के लिए इसलिए मैं डायरेक्टली बुक प्रीफर करता हूँ. लोग बाहर कुछ भी बोलते हैं. अब मैं बोला ना आप लोगों को, अभी ये जुम्मा मुबारक कहाँ से आया आई डोंट नो. मैं पैदा हो गया था शनिचर के दिन, तो मैं बोलूंगा शनिचर मुबारक. ये पुरानी पुरानी प्रथा चल रही है. मे आई टेल यू वन स्टोरी ऑफ आवर रियल लाइफ. क्या मैं
Yes,
आपको
sir.
हमारी की स्टोरी सुनाऊं?
Yes, sir.
Actually, basically I'm from Mumbai,
Okay.
and we we had our properties there in Mumbai as well in Kurla.
Okay.
So before I was getting born, long time ago, where I used to live, means my parents used to live, we had a very big ground in front of our house. Now there is a huge building of 26 stories. 26 माले की building बन गई है उधर. So we had a big ground in front of our house. Listen to me carefully. This lesson will teach you much more great things in your life that you are not going to commit in future, and people will praise you, and your next generation will salute you if you know this one. It will take only 5 minutes, but I want to tell you something that is really great. So we had this big ground was there in front of our house, and that ground used to be very empty. People used to play there, children used to play there, some people used to make the festivals and all. And sometimes the government used to get that ground for circus. Okay, one day what happened, suddenly my father, my uncle and all, my grandfather, they used to live over there. So one day what happened, suddenly in the morning, my grandfather and my uncle and all, my father and all, they saw in the garden, in the ground, there was a huge crowd. And in that crowd, some astrologers were there, some palmists were there, and they were saying, Jhoom, Jhoom, Baba ki Jhoom, 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 Jhoom. My father went there, my uncle went there, and they saw what the hell is going on. Nothing was there yesterday. कल तक तो कुछ नहीं था यहाँ पर. एक दो दिन से कुछ तो लोग अगरबत्ती वगैरह लगा कर जा रहे थे. But suddenly what happened? Till yesterday, the people were just burning their incense sticks. Nothing was there. And now what the hell happened at a night? They found there, there was a grave. There was a grave. कबर थी वहां पर एक छोटी सी कबर टाइप थोड़ी सी. And the astrologers were saying Baba hai. Jhoom, 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 jhoom. They were saying that it is what? Baba. It is the real fact of Kurla, Mumbai. So the people were there, they said, nothing was here, no Baba was there, no Baba was buried here till yesterday and all. Where the hell is this one? So the people, religious people were there, and they said that अरे हम बाबा को हाथ नहीं लगाना, कोई को खोल के नहीं देखेगा, कोई कुछ करेगा नहीं, वरना हम लोग कत्ल कर डालेंगे, मार डालेंगे, मर जाएंगे. Oh my God. People were just away from it. Some of the people were there. Why? क्योंकि अभी खाने पीने का इंतजाम हो गया ना, बाबा बन के उधर बैठेंगे मस्त में, लोग आएंगे, एड़ेंगे ऐसे, हाथ को पैर को हाथ लगाएंगे, पैसा देके रहेंगे, अपना मस्त दुकान चलती रहेगी. After some time, what happened? Police was there. Then there was a nice, riot was there. Police was there. Huge cacophony was there between the people and the police and public as well. At last, it was going on, and later on, it went to the court. The case went to the court. The households, means we people, the society people, they said the ground was completely empty, and even the government said it was empty before. And some of the people were there. They occupied that place, and they said that there was a Baba, there was an astrologer on that place. What happened at last? That case went into the court. So some of the Baba, some of the astrologers, they said, "ए भगवान, इधर कुछ नहीं था, मेरे को मालूम है, मैं तो जा रहा, क्योंकि कुछ अगर निकला, क्योंकि why? Because the court was going to open it with the compensation. Court said that we are going to open the grave, we are going to have it, we are going to test it in the test lab and all, then we are going to confirm it, and if we get it, then we are going to make a nice mausoleum over there, dargah bana kar denge. And if we don't get it over there anything, we are going to catch the astrologers. वो astrologers को हम लोग पकड़ेंगे और फिर देंगे उन लोग को 3 टाइम. Now the astrologers, some of them, they said, नहीं यार, मेरे को मालूम है कुछ नहीं था, मैं तो ऐसे आ गया था खाली खाने पीने के मामले में, चलो मैं जा रहा हूँ, ना नहीं, मेरे को दाल चावल नहीं चाहिए. Went off. And some of them, they said, अरे नहीं, मेरे को मालूम ना, थे उधर बाबा, थे उधर. They stood there. They froze themselves over there. And what happened? Long time ago, it was in 1980s. 1980s, 85 something. And at the time, they opened the grave. Who? The government. They got the laboratory people and all, and they opened the grave and they found there some bones. The bones were not human bones. They went for the testing as well. Later on, they came to know those were the bones of a dog. Oh my God! Ladies were coming there. Baba ki jai ho, Baba. मेरे को बेटा होना अभी. People were coming. Baba job लगा दो please. मालूम है उसके अंदर कवर के अंदर कुत्ते शाह बाबा थे. There was a dog in the grave. There was a dog in the grave. वहां पे जितने भी तो अबे तूने भी मन्नत मांगा था. कुत्ते शाह बाबा.
But sir, how
There
can
was-
there be a Baba in that grave?
I'll show you. Listen the. So what happened? They were thinking that it was Baba, and later on it became the dog. The government started searching. How did it come over here? They got to know, Arey yaar, we have given last year. There was a circus some months ago. They contacted the circus men. They contacted them, and the circus man said that one of our dog, of our acrobats, one dog was there which passed away, which died. So we just buried that dog inside the circus only. Inside the circus, what do we say? Tent. And that is the same dog. So like these people, they don't have history. They are just coming and enjoying here. Coming and enjoying. Coming and enjoying. And people, they see it and then they start it. ऐसा है, ठीक है, कर लो. उसने करा करके मैं कर रहा हूँ. No origin. Yeah, Mr. Can you please continue? You were asking me something.
Yes, sir. I was asking, how can there be a Baba in that grave? Like, that body will stink after all, right? Like, if there's a dead body.
Huh?
So, how can people just worship?
They do the same thing like this only. That's what that I don't believe all these things. First of all, what do
Only
they
one
do?
Allah.
There's no point, right, in it.
Like this, I'm just showing you that how people are. They have this sick mentality and they are following anything nonsense, which is really not real.
That's what.
Literally means it has no origin, but they are just
True.
following it. This is called dogmatic and paradox thinking. Dogmatic thinking. They are just following it.
Because it's been falling from centuries.
Yeah. And we can't just, if we are going and if we are just telling them, see, this is not good, this is the
Yeah.
correct way, they're going to hit you.
I
They're going
know.
to hit us.
And if we ask them a reason, then they won't be having a reason. They'll just tell that we are been doing this since like ages, so we are just continuing it. We never
These are the-
asked anyone.
These are the people, if you go and if you ask them, I have one question to you. I have a question to all of you, please. The students who are present in my class today right now, I have one question to you. Can an iron fly? Can iron fly? क्या लोखंड उड़ सकता है? भाई आप लोग अर्थ पे रह रहे कि चांद पे रह रहे? आप लोग, मेरे को अर्थ की बात समझ में नहीं आ रही आप लोगों को शायद. You're not answering me.
No.
Okay. Abdul Wajid bhai is saying no.
So if that iron is getting dried up and it's rusting, then maybe it can fly. But
Sania, Gauss, Amir, Adnan.
if
You
it's in a
people are
powdered
so-
form, then it can fly. Otherwise, it cannot.
Okay, just tell me, what about aeroplane? Is it flying or not?
Yes, sir.
It is.
Is it made of wood?
No, sir.
Is it made of leaves?
No, sir. I
Is it made of paper?
no.
Is it made of mud? It is made of iron. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
बट डीजल भी लगते ना सर.
मैंने वो नहीं बोला, मैंने बोला iron होता है कि नहीं? We can. So this is what the kind of people we have in our city. They're coming in, they're just, so just imagine, the people were just amazed. Oh my God. I was just asking those people like this. Why? See, I'll tell you one more thing. This is not my exact point. I'm tired. I'm going home. Not to. So we cannot use their to for home. Okay. Did you walk home? We cannot say, did you walk to home? For home, we cannot use that to. Britishers are saying the same thing in their books. Can you make some sentence with home? Faster, please. One by one, one by one. Gauss, Amir, Shreya, Sania, Adnan. Yes, Wajid bhai, make sentences.
They had made a plan to be at home.
Correct. They had made a plan to be at home.
My
I'm
friend is
hungry.
gonna come at my home today.
Correct. My friend is going to come at my home today.
I'm hungry. I'm going to eat something at home.
I'm hungry. I'm going to eat something at home.
We can
Once
say
again,
like this, I'm going to my home. Like this we can make.
I'm going to my home, right?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm going my home.
Going
We can't say that. I'm going to my home. We can't say I'm going to my home. We can say I'm going my home.
or I'm going for my home.
I'm going for my home भी नहीं आता है. Home के लिए to वगैरह for वगैरह कुछ नहीं लगेगा. For home is an activity, such activity which will not contain to and for with it. Home एक ऐसी activity जिसके पीछे कुछ भी नहीं लगेगा आप चाहेंगे तो भी. Continue. Yes.
Nobody is in home.
No one is in home.
No one is in home.
Next.
My mom is waiting for me at home.
My mom is waiting for me at home. Yes. चलो भाई जल्दी जल्दी.
I'm going to collect money at his home.
Correct. Yes, जल्दी जल्दी please. Amir. Sania ma'am.
My parents are at home tonight.
Correct. My parents are at home tonight.
She was getting afraid to be at home alone.
Correct. She was getting afraid to be at home alone. Continue.
Your kids are at my home.
Correct. Your kids are at my home. Yes. Yes.
There's no one. Home is empty.
Yes. Repeat once again.
There is no one. The home is empty.
Correct. There is no one at home. The home is empty. Next.
There is nothing to do.
Correct.
There is nothing to do. Good.
If we at home, so we feel relaxed.
If you are at home, you feel relax. Yes. Yes.
Make yourself at home.
We are.
Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home. Yes.
The best coffee is made by my mom at my home.
Very good.
Do this at your home.
Correct. Okay, next. Anyone else?
His home is quite small.
His home is quite small.
You are taking lecture at home.
You're taking lecture at home. Yes.
Can we come your home at tonight?
Can we come your home tonight?
Can you
Sir, is
come
this
here?
sentence correct? I'm going his home.
I'm going his home. Yes. I'm going
He will
his
come
home.
his home.
Pardon? Repeat once again, sir.
He will come his home.
Very good. Please pay attention. I'm going to show you something. I'm going his home. So home is activity. We're not going to put that too. Or I'm going to his house. I'm going his home. क्या पागलपन है यार इसके? I'm going to his home.
Yeah.
I'm going to his house. टू नहीं आना चाहिए यार इसमें. I go his. I don't know why it is not giving that too. Means it is giving there again and again too there. I went his home. It should be I
We are
went his
using
home. But
pronoun before home, so we have to use to.
pardon?
If we are using pronoun before home, so we have to use to there.
For the pronoun.
Is, her, sir. What is it?
Okay.
So put
They
last.
pay attention. They came. Pronoun is there.
And we can also say they came to my home.
They came to my home.
I decorated my.
Them, it is not putting that to. See, I decorated my home. It is not putting that to. Them भी तो pronoun है ना.
But sir, the sentences are different.
Okay, they came to my home. I called them my home. Just a minute, huh?
So put last night after home.
Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. It will be remaining the same.
In that sentence, they come to my
I don't
home.
know why it is not giving this correct one. I went home early. Not to.
So I guess we can't put directly to home. We can put to before pronouns.
Before,
Pronouns.
we have to put their home before pronouns, right?
We can put to before pronouns, but not before to. But not before home. Exactly. Like if you see this sentence,
Yeah,
I went
generally,
to his home. So
I
to
got you.
before
They
pronoun.
came to,
Yeah.
they came my home
It's
to,
not
they came
directly before
my
home,
to.
right?
Wait a minute. I decorated. They came. See, to home, it is absolutely wrong. अरे हाँ, ये same concept है,
But we
right,
are
right.
not using to home, right? We are using to my home.
Correct. They came to my home. Yeah, right. अरे हाँ, मैं भी कहाँ ध्यान दे रहा हूँ यार. She's right. I'm going to his. To his. This to is not for home.
Home, but it is
Exactly.
for pronoun.
It is for the pronoun. कहाँ मैं भी confused हो गया बाप रे.
Then the last sentence, I decorated my home. The context is only different now. We can't use to over here. Otherwise, it will be I decorated to my home.
No, we can't say like this. Correct. The context is different. I asked them to come my home.
Come to my
Come
home.
to my home. Correct. So here this to is for this pronoun, not for that home.
The
Correct.
first to is for the verb.
Correct. And this one is for the verb.
Yeah,
Correct.
because indirectly we aren't using only to for home.
Correct.
We are using it for pronoun.
Right. We are not using it for home. So generally, for home, we are not going to use a to. Continue. Really, thanks a lot. Please tell her thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Thanks a lot. अरे भिखारी लोग बोलो thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.
You're
Madam,
welcome.
Thanks a lot.
गरीब लोग नहीं बोलेंगे. Thanks a lot. Okay. Now here we go for the next one, and that's what we are going to have here: under, behind, opposite, etc. We are going to have multiple prepositions on Monday, which are really very amazing. I'll be showing you on Monday many of the examples of our prepositions in one picture. I'm going to make a picture over here and it will take time. So we're going to continue this on Monday. Do you have any questions? Anyone would like to ask any
Can you
questions?
explain will be used?
Pardon, madam?
Can you explain the use of will be?
Will be.
Yes, sir. In sometimes we say that I will be at home, he will be tired, and he will be going to office.
Correct. Now,
And
listen to me. Yeah. First of all, what do you mean by be? Be का मतलब क्या पहले वो देख लेते हैं हम लोग. What do you mean by be?
होना करना रहना सर
होना, रहना,
रहना
and बनना. Correct?
yes
Hona, rehna, banna. This is what the normal usage and main meaning of be we are going to have here. Point number one. Point number one. When do we use be? We use be for adjectives. In simple sentences, we are going to use that be for adjectives and for the nouns. Okay? For example, I want to. Yeah, ma'am.
verb after will be.
Pardon?
We use third form of verb after will be sometimes.
Correct. बताऊंगा ना. तो वहां पर जो verb का third form क्या होता है sometimes?
Like he will be sent to school. Like this.
Wait a minute, I'll be coming to your sentence. Okay, I want to be a doctor. मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ. तो बनना चाहता हूँ. I want to be a doctor. So doctor is what? A noun. To be a doctor, here we are using for noun. Is that clear, madam?
Yes, sir.
Please all of you have a look, huh? Please have a look here, all of you. I will be happy. Future tense के अंदर बोल रहा हूँ मैं. I will be happy. Happy is what?
Adjective.
Adjective, right? So I will be happy, adjective. I will be good, adjective. He will be handsome, adjective. So we are using for nouns and adjectives. Next one. Now I'm coming towards future tense. Future tense, okay? Now I will be broken. Verb third form. Now that day I told you, word form third form acts like an
Adjective.
correct. Word third form sometimes act like an adjective. I will be broken into pieces. I will be broken into pieces. So here be broken, मैं टूट चुका होऊंगा. तो होऊंगा मतलब है नहीं be.
be
I will be broken. So be here we are using for adjective. We are using here be for adjective. This verb third form is acting like an adjective. And how to identify an adjective, Ms. Shreya?
So we have to ask a WH question to the noun.
Correct. Ask the next question to the noun and you will get the
That
answer in the
sentence
form of.
is
Yeah,
So
madam.
here the noun is pieces.
Pardon?
So here the noun will be pieces, right?
You can ask any noun. For example, see, pronoun and noun both are the same, right?
So we can ask for pronoun also. The
Yeah,
question.
noun and pronoun both are the same.
Okay, so
Noun and pronoun both are the same. See, I means what?
pronoun.
Pronoun, correct? मैं. And मैं वो कौन है? Person.
Yes, sir.
And what is a noun? Noun means name of a person. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he. What is he? He is person.
Person.
She person. It.
It's a person.
No, it not. It is not used for
baby
animals, things, baby,
Animal.
place.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes,
These are
sir.
what nouns. So it is used for the noun. So noun and pronoun both are the same. Next, you means what? Person. We are person. They are person.
Persons.
So, noun and pronoun both are the same. So you can ask question to the noun or you can ask a question to the pronoun. So ask question according to the common sense.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes.
So we can ask here, how will he be broken, right?
Correct. How
No.
will it be broken?
I will be
How
So
will he
the,
be? Yeah.
the answer should be the adjective, right?
Correct. The answer should be the adjective.
So we can't use adjective in the question, right? Like how will he be broken? Because the answer should be broken only.
Yeah. See,
How will he be? We can say
Hmm,
that,
what
right?
will be broken?
How will he be?
How is it? Now, how will he be? How will he be?
he will be broken
Answer: he will be
Broken.
Sir, if we
And
take
so how will we ask the
the
question to the word pieces?
uh
How will be the pieces? It will be broken.
Not exactly.
Okay.
No, we can't ask here the pieces, okay? Because we are talking about the main verb, main noun, and then we got I.
Okay, sir.
Take the
Hello,
sentence with the two meanings.
Yeah.
Like first
Yeah,
is for
Sania madam.
adjective and and the second one is for passive voice. Like I will be broken into pieces by someone. Like this.
मैडम अभी क्या कर रही हैं आप बताइए जरा. Hello.
If we try to understand the meaning of that sentence, so we can also understand it as a passive voice.
Okay. I will be broken into pieces by.
Someone.
Okay. इससे क्या होगा मैम? Hello.
Sir, the sentence has two meanings.
I will be broken into pieces.
मैं तोड़ा
हाँ.
जा चुका हूँगा. Into
हाँ.
pieces.
मैं समझा नहीं मैम आपका कंसेप्ट क्या है. मैं समझा नहीं. Really sorry.
Then we can also use will be verb third form as a passive voice.
हाँ. मैंने क्या मना किया?
So the
Right.
sentence has two meanings.
Yeah. See, if you are going in the wrong direction now by putting this by someone. It will be passive voice. I will be broken into pieces. Correct? I will be broken. मैं टूट चुका हूँगा. किसके जरिए हुआ उससे लेना देना नहीं फिलहाल में. But if you are making sentences in such sense, so it will be what? I will be broken, simple future tense. I will be broken. I will be broken. We don't need to make there it passive voice. Yeah, just for understanding of yours, you can put their passive voice to understand it well. But वो अगर आप passive voice लगाती हैं, तो आप थोड़ा confusion में और आ जाएंगी हाँ, क्योंकि उसका sentence अलग होता है. Now let me tell you one more thing. Sometimes in passive voice we have intransitive sentences. Intransitive sentences means what? Intransitive sentences means what? The sentences which could not make passive voice. Remember this. That's why I do not take the examples of passive voice, because sometimes अभी मेरे ध्यान में नहीं आ रहा है. अभी मैंने कुछ दिन पहले मैंने एक स्टूडेंट को मैंने बताया था वो. I showed someone that Akshay Shinde. So in that we had their passive voice, active voice there. So I showed him. So he made some of the sentences which were absolutely intransitive. So in active and passive voice, we generally don't take the examples because some of the sentences they don't contain passive voice. उनका passive voice बनता ही नहीं है.
For
मैंने
example,
उसके लिखा रहेगा कहीं तो, उसके उसमें लिखा हुआ हूँ मैंने शायद कहीं तो. Passive voice बनता नहीं है.
She
I'll
is
show you.
inside the blanket, so we can't make passive voices. Passive voice of this also, right?
Which one?
She is inside the blanket.
Yeah, there is no passive voice for this one. It is intransitive. She is.
We can't say like this, right? The blanket is under her. It will
No.
be like exactly opposite meaning.
It will become something out of the mind.
Yeah, that's right. So that
It's
will be intransitive sentence too, right? She is inside the blanket.
Correct. She is inside the blanket. So it is intransitive.
We can't convert it into passive voice.
No, we can't actually. Yes, Sania ma'am. Anything else? So be का मतलब होता है होना, रहना, बनना. To be. I want to be a doctor. बनूंगा. Noun के लिए लगता है. I will be happy. Adjective के लिए लगता है.
So today we just saw at and to, right? The prepositions.
Pardon?
And on. Today we just saw to, at, and on prepositions, right?
Correct. And on Monday we are going to have multiple prepositions, okay, in one picture. maybe more than 13 prepositions in one picture. All right.
Okay, sir.
हेलो सर
Yes.
सर अपने टेंसेस कितने हुए पूरे?
See,
9.
मैंने यहाँ पर दिखाया हुआ उनको. Intransitive mode, intransitive tense, no passive voice.
So what's the major difference between
See,
subject and object?
see. I go to school. Can you make it passive voice?
I go to school. हो गया था?
No, sir, we can't.
It is intransitive. देखो मैंने लिखा भी है वहाँ पर. It is written by me as well over here. I did the work. The work was done by me.
Sir, we can say I sent to school by my father. Like this, we can make.
That is transitive. I go to school, but इसको ये simple present tense है, right? We were just making sentences together like this. For example, we do business together. Business is done together by us. ये एक active का passive हुआ. दिख रहा है आपको? Simple present tense. Same. I go to school, simple present tense, but this is intransitive. Now, अगर इसके आगे अगर मैं ऐसे लगाता भी हूँ जैसे मैडम, I go to school by bus. Can I make it passive voice?
No.
अभी भी नहीं बना सकता हूँ. इसको बोलते हैं intransitive mode. Okay.
I am sent to school by my father. So we can make like this.
Simple present tense में बनाकर बताइए मैम.
Sir, this is simple present tense. I
Repeat
am
once
sent to
again.
school.
I am
Sent to school by my father. Sir, if we are making the passive of simple sentences, so we have to use am, is, are over there before the verb.
repeat. Wait a minute. I am sent to school by my father. Correct.
Yes, sir.
What is the active voice of this one?
My father sent it to school.
Repeat.
My father sent to school to me. No, sir. Send. To school to me. Send me to school.
My father sends me to school. I am sent to school by my father. My father sends me to school. हाँ, तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट है. इसको मैं मना क्या कर रहा हूँ? I go to school by bus. इसका ट्रांजिटिव नहीं, ये इंट्रांजिटिव है. ये वाला क्या है यहाँ पर? See, I'll tell you one more thing. Here only one subject is there, one human being is there, and here two people are there. My father and here me as well. There as an object. Okay? तो जहाँ पे two objects आएंगे वहाँ पर चलेगा ही वो. Intransitive नहीं होगा वहाँ. Yeah.
So subject should always contain a pronoun or word. Then
Absolutely.
only it will be a subject. And
Yeah,
object
absolutely.
won't be containing any pronoun, right?
Correct.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Because I
see,
had a major issue like how to identify subject and object.
I'll show you that how to identify subject and object. Always remember, see, only
Like for
there is
example, she is in the blanket. So she is will be subject and in the blanket will be object.
correct. There is no verb. There is
Yes,
no verb.
sir.
See, there is a simple formula that you can come to know what is subject and what is object and what is verb. Always remember, every sentence contains all these three things in it. Correct? Subject is what? Before the verbs which is coming. The part of the sentence which is coming before the verb, and object is what? The part of the sentence which is coming after the verb.
So many a times it happens that subject comes later also and object comes first.
Yeah. You might have
Like
seen this
for
one as
example,
well.
the milk is drunk by her. So by
Correct.
her will be subject, the milk will be object.
Listen. If you see here, in this scenario, what is happening? Active voice will contain always subject, verb, object in this sentence. Okay?
Okay, sir. And passive voice will contain object, verb, and subject.
This is
The
what the
reverse form.
mean. Correct. Passive voice will always contain object plus verb plus subject.
Subject.
I might have written over here as well. मैंने वो उधर भी लिखा रहेगा. This is the rule for passive voice. See, don't get confused. So
sir.
don't mix it. See, here. See, Active voice, A for active voice, subject, verb, object. Passive voice, it will go object, verb, subject.
Yes, sir.
I drink milk. Milk is drunk by me.
There is only one subject.
Okay.
I.
Yes.
There is only one subject. I. You
Yeah.
said that we should have two subjects for that.
Two subjects.
School by my father. My father and I. Two subjects are there.
Subject का हुआ I. My father is an object, madam. Here, pay attention. My father is an object. That object is coming first here in father. My father subject. Verb is what? Sends. Me is what? On an object. Yes or no? There are no two subjects. Only one subject is there.
So, but me will be a pronoun, right?
Yeah, it is an object. See, let me tell you one more thing. Have a look here. Don't get confused. Let me tell you one more thing. Pay
So,
attention.
can you explain that my father sends me to school once?
No, just wait a minute. I called John. Our simple sentence we're going to take once again. Now you tell me, what is I here?
I will be subject.
Correct. And what is verb?
Called.
And John is what?
Object.
Passive voice it. Make it a passive
So, in
voice.
passive, John called me.
John
Called me.
was called by me. Correct?
So, we can also say John called me, right? Or we
Yeah,
cannot
you can. In reverse, you can say John
call me.
called me. You can say, no problem at all. So
Yes.
here, now what is John?
So, and we can't say like this, right? I was called by John. That won't be a passive voice, right?
No. See,
Okay.
rule is subject and verb, object will become object, verb, and
Object plus subject.
passive voice. It is the rule. Confirm rule is there. So subject, what is the subject? I. Called is verb. John is what? Object. So object will be coming first in passive voice. John.
Yes, sir.
Called will be there, and me. Subject will change into object. So object में जब जाता है
Yes, sir.
subject, I will be going in the object, so it will become me.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Same. Here it is what? I go. I is only the subject, not this. Where is that? Sorry. My father sends me to school. So my father is what? The subject.
Yes.
Send is verb, and what is coming after verb? Is it is an object.
Yeah,
Is that
it will be object because it's coming afterward.
हाँ, यही बोलना चाह रहा हूँ मैं.
We don't need to see their pronouns and all after verb.
इतना ही सोचना है खाली कि verb के
Yeah.
बाद में आया object. Verb के पहले
Yes,
आया
sir.
subject. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank
Get
you
it
so
out?
much.
So please keep on practicing at home, and we'll be seeing you on Monday. Happy weekends. And please keep on practicing at home, okay? We'll see
Happy
you.
weekend, sir. See you.
See you.